Good morning. Today I'm going to make waffles for breakfast for the family. And I'm going to be using the Kodiak Power Cakes Flapjack and Waffle Mix. We start with a full cup of the mix, the pancake mix. Then we add a fresh egg. We add a cup of milk. This is going to add extra protein. Just a little more because we don't want it too thick. And a tablespoon of oil. I'm using olive oil today. Starting to mix together. We've had these before. They were really good. So it's kind of a treat. And according to the box, you can really power up the protein in this waffle mix by adding the egg and milk rather than no egg and water instead of milk. So I want to really boost the protein, and so that's why I'm mixing it. Mixes really easily. Well, I can turn on the waffle maker. I already sprayed some coating, oil coating, and it's also olive oil coating. So we'll close that up and let that heat up. Once it's ready, we'll pour in the waffle mix. Our waffle maker is all heated up and it's ready to scoop in the batter. I like this waffle maker a lot because it doesn't drip over the sides. Okay, close it up. Wait for the light to come on, showing that the waffles are ready to pull out. Okay, as you can see by the steam rising off of the waffle maker, that everything's cooking, so it won't be long before they're ready to put on the plate. When the green light comes on, we know the waffles are ready to take out. Okay, the light has come on, the green light, and it's ready to open it up. And look at that, perfect waffles.
Perfect waffle. Really nice. Wow. Wow. Uh-oh, don't break it.
Don't those look good?
Action.
Okay, we'll use the rest of the batter here to make a couple more waffles. Repeat the process. Wait till the green light comes back on. We'll know that these waffles are ready. As I mentioned before, we're using this Kodiak mix. Now, they're not sponsoring this video, but we've come to find that they're really good for making waffles. Okay, the green light came on, so the last batch is ready to come out.
Oh.
Okay, unplug this, turn it off, let it cool down. And okay, it's time to put on some of our homemade syrup. This looks really good. So here's our complete breakfast. We have fruit, we got sausage. Okay, breakfast is ready. Don't these waffles look good? I'm going to give them a taste and just see how they came out. Excellent.
Now it's my turn to taste. I'll let you know what it tastes like. I'm sure it is delicious. Thumbs up. Delicious. Cheers. If you'd like to see us cook some more, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.